Why are you sorry?
Because I said so.
I can't see you.
Let me stand next to your sparkler. Let me stand next to your M80.
I'm just glad we didn't sit downtown all day.
Yeah, well, for nothing.
We would have been so bummed out. Can you imagine?
Yeah, we did it for nothing. Holy shit.
Oh, so I would have been so pissed.
Like,
I would have been pissed.
Even if we wasted 3 hours, I mean, let's say we might have had some fun, but you know, the longer you're down there and don't find out, you get pissed off. Yeah. I'm as bummed as it was. Got over it.
I don't know, I was just like playing with it for some reason. I don't want to. I don't want to.
You do want it.
What? What, Dad?
I said it was kind of fun doing that video.
Is that the Edmonds one right out there you can see?
Now, usually they do a show.
I think that might be it. They're out there over the water.
Okay, I don't see anything going on.
Oh, there was just a second ago. The tree's in the way now, but
Probably a lot smaller show. But... yeah, I can't wait to see those videos, Britt.
Yeah.
Some of the game and today. And I want to get a couple pictures eventually.
somewhere so we can go sit down and watch that. Is this Edmonds?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is probably their show.
They used to do something on the waterfront. I don't know what this is.
There was stuff going on over the waterfront.
I still don't see anything about the ferry dock.
I don't either. They're there.
Yeah, there's a school field up there where they do some kind of get-together thing.
That's probably it.
Fairs and different things. That's right.
out my window.
Yeah.
Watch him in the pool. That's it.
Is it?
I don't know. I think it's done.
It might be.
Think so?
Yeah.
Probably. Oh well.
That was about half an hour.
No, we go. You're done.
It's done.